Who wins in 2025? It depends on your priorities. For blazing fast speeds, especially in cities, Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband takes the crown, hitting speeds up to 1.2 gigabits in some areas. If you need the broadest coverage, particularly in rural locations, AT&T is your best bet, boasting 99% population coverage thanks to its C-band deployment. For the best value, T-Mobile offers competitive pricing and widespread 5G coverage, making it a strong all-around choice. Remember to consider real-world performance, potential data deprioritization, and check coverage maps for your specific location. Let's break down those key factors. Speed is more than just headline numbers. Consider latency, or ping, for gaming and streaming. Verizon excels in urban speed, while T-Mobile holds its own. Coverage varies greatly. AT&T shines in rural areas where the others can struggle. Value means more than just price. Factor in data caps, throttling policies, and included perks. T-Mobile often leads on value, offering unlimited plans that can be deprioritized after a certain data usage. Ultimately, the best provider balances these factors to meet your specific needs and usage patterns. Be sure to compare family plan options as pricing varies greatly between providers.